Well, this isn't good. So this is in the, I haven't seen one of these used since like the 1970s, but this was a screen that he put in at the intake of the oil filter, so it would have sat, I guess, if you look at it, yeah, that where it screws on, it sat like that. You can see what it collected. It was almost plugged up. I was wondering why when I started it, the engine was warm, that the lifters clattered for a moment when you had such good oil pressure. And it's getting starved, as you can see. The filter itself has got, I don't know if my camera will pick that up, but it's got some pretty good amounts of, let's see if I can open one of these up. Let's see in there. Hopefully you can see that there's a lot of shavings down in there. And the oil filter, I'll get the sun right on there, but you can see the oil in the oil filters just metallic. And tip that up. I have a hard time doing this on my camera, but you can see in the bottom that there's like almost like mud in metal there. So that's that. I don't know if we got engine failure, if he was a really dirty mechanic and there was just all this crap inside the motor. So I guess we'll best bet is to run it for a while and pull the filter back off, a new filter back off of it, and see what it looks like.